Cheers. Morning hydration is so essential. I've been adding some minerals in it to help me be more hydrated without just drinking so much water and flushing out good vitamins in my body. Good morning. It is Sunday and it's time for a Sunday reset and self-care day. I woke up around 8 and it's currently 8:40. If you dedicate a day to self-care, caring for yourself, and just getting a reset in your routine, organizing your place, and kind of just resetting for your week, I promise you, you will feel so much better. I'm on like day 10 of my not washing my hair. It feels disgusting and I actually saved it to wash for Sunday because it just feels right to wash my hair on Sunday. But let's be honest, why does hair on anybody look so much better when it hasn't been washed in days? But I'm really excited because I feel like we're gonna get productive. We all need a good self-care day. I'm honestly just gonna have a self-care day at home, but today I'm gonna take you guys along on my Sunday reset. Lately I've had like a summer headache. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm like, I don't know if there's a summer cold going around, but I have like some sort of summer headache going on. I've been really into books lately, so when I woke up I started a new book. This one is called Every Summer After. I love books that are according to what season it is. Makes me so excited for the seasons and I love it. I stood on my vibration plate for about 20 minutes as I read, which is really good for my lymphatic system. For my Sunday resets, I love to get all the dirty and working part of my reset out in the earlier part of my day. So cleaning, vacuuming, taking out the trash all in the morning, and then in the afternoon is where I'll do more self-care. It's kind of like a reward. It's time to get started cleaning and picking up all the piles of hair that I shed that are on the floor. This morning in my water, I added the Sakara Beauty Water. I feel like this helps me feel more hydrated and not drinking as much just water in general. I'm gonna take 2 of these right now, which is my probiotic. And I also have a glutathione packet that I'm gonna take in a few minutes. I take both of these on an empty stomach. No, because what is this mess? There is so much stuff in my doorway. I don't think I can even make it out the door. Get to sweeping. If you do not have one of these, you need this. This is from Amazon. I think it's called like a dog fur mop, and basically it helps collect any hair that's on the ground, but I use it because I have a lot of hair always on the floor, and instead of clogging up your vacuum, you can just do this first and then vacuum. It's so much better. There isn't extra hair all over inside your vacuum that you have to cut out. I'm gonna go over all my floors and get all the hair up. Then I'm gonna do my vacuum mop, which kind of like mops up my floor and vacuums at the same time. Vacuumed in my pajamas. Everything feels so nice and clean and refreshed, and the ultimate way to refresh your place after cleaning it is using a diffuser. I'll put in some really nice refreshing essential oils, and I swear it just makes your home feel like that you got it professionally cleaned and it just smells so nice. I love it. I should make myself breakfast, but I really just want to take a little swim right now because I'm so hot from cleaning and I feel like I just need to be refreshed. So I'm gonna go hop in the pool for a little bit and then come back and make a little brunch. revived. I needed that little morning swim. I'll always get my hair in the pool when it's a hair wash day. So being that I'm washing my hair today, 100% I was gonna put my hair in. I have no clue what I want or have in the fridge. I'm thinking maybe oatmeal, but I feel like I'm not craving that with it being 90 degrees outside. I have a ton of extra food that I didn't eat from yesterday. I may have this for a little early lunch because it sounds really good. There's Brussels sprouts, lentils, carrots, tomatoes, except I ate all the chicken out of it, so I'm kind of bummed about that. But let's go put together something with this food. This is a very random meal. I just have tuna mixed with Greek yogurt, and then I have avocado, carrots, tomatoes, spinach, farro, lentils, and Brussels sprouts. But honestly, this I think is the perfect little meal for right now. Then I'll probably have something else after this. The shower routine clip I just put in, I'll show you what it took to be able to record this. We have a dish in the bath. We have entire wet floor, wash rags soaked, towels soaked, a tripod, a bathing suit, the whole shebang to do a few clips. But you know what? I'll do it for you. I just took the best everything shower. It was just so nice and relaxing, very well needed. It feels so refreshed and great. I am kind of hot though, so I'm gonna turn on the AC. I feel like there's nothing better than turning on the AC after a shower. It's my essential routine. I'll turn the fan on full blast and then turn the AC on, and it feels ice cubes. I think they're 2x2 ice cubes, and they're my new favorite thing. I love them. This looks like it's an orange soda, but it's actually carrot, pineapple, orange, ginger, and turmeric juice. For a little snack, I made a brie cheese bite. I think this is so cute. I just put it in the air fryer, and I'm gonna see how it works, but I have these seed crackers also from Trader Joe's, and I think this looks so good. To die for. So good. I had a lovely little snack session. At first I was like, oh, I'm just gonna have the brie cheese and crackers, and I devoured that, and I was like, wait, I'm actually so hungry. So I ended up eating a sourdough English muffin. So divine. And then I ate a ton of rice cakes with nut butter. I'm really full, but it was all so good. I love nothing more than a buttered English muffin. Ah, so yummy. Then after I picked my face a little because I saw a pimple, then I found another one and I'm like, okay, let's go on a little picking journey. I was thinking I didn't need groceries until I looked in the fridge and I realized I kind of have ate every single thing I got already for this week. So I'm gonna actually put in a Target order because I don't want to leave my place and I'm all comfortable and cozy and showered. And if I shower and then leave, go somewhere like errands or anything, I have to go shower again. The minute I step outside, I have to shower. So I'm thinking that I'm just gonna do a Target order. I have everything in my cart pretty much ready. I have fruit, I have lettuce, I got chicken. Then I'll give a grocery haul when it gets here. Wave. Wave. Hello.
Oh, Lane's phone died.
Okay, wait. Okay. Oh my gosh, Ryan, I can't believe it. I love you guys so much, okay? FaceTime me at In-N-Out without me at some point. Okay, I love you guys. Love you, sexy. How cute is this? I paid for the delivery to come to my door and they in fact did not come to my door. So I'm headed downstairs to go get my groceries. Groceries have been acquired and let's do a little unboxing. I had to finish the page I just left off at before unpacking the groceries. This is actually so good. I'm loving it so far. It's Every Summer After. Like I said, I love a good seasonal book, so this summer book is just exactly what I need right now. But let's do a little haul. I got raw chicken breast, which I put inside the freezer, and then I got bananas. But whenever I do delivery, when it comes to fruit, the fruit is always not that great. Bruised, but it's okay. And then I got this mango. I usually like the yellow mangoes, but this one is great too. Then I got 4 avocados because I'm getting back into my little avocado and lemon kick. And then I got cottage cheese. If you are someone who likes cottage cheese, let's talk about it for a second because I usually always go to the Good Culture cottage cheese. This is the best one. And if you're trying to get into cottage cheese, this is the one you need. I usually get this one, but I tried Nancy's the other day. I didn't like it. I bought one more and tried it again, and I started to like it, but honestly, it made me eat less of the cottage cheese, and I think it's because I didn't love it as much, so I went back to my favorite of all time, which is Good Culture. Next, I got some organic zucchini. I've been loving the zucchini for dinners with salmon, so I think I'm gonna make a salmon meal. Maybe tomorrow, salmon, zucchini, and quinoa. Mixed greens, baby spring mix. Then lastly, I just got some fruit. The main reason why I put in this order was to get some strawberries, and what did I forget? Strawberries. So I am strawberry-less, and I was very disappointed to realize that the main reason why I put in the order, I got my groceries and I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't even add the strawberries. But you know what? You live and you learn. But I got blueberries, organic raspberries, and organic blackberries. And I've been loving raspberries lately. And blueberries, I go through them so quick. All these fruits combined, I could easily eat all this at once. Just changed into some different clothes, but I went to the bathroom, and as you guys know, I haven't had my period for years now, and I've been doing literally everything to get it back. It's not back yet, but I could be wrong, but I swear, like, I saw a little bit of spotting. I feel like I yelled. I was so excited. I'm like, oh my gosh, wait, is it starting? I don't think it is, so we'll see. But this is like the first little inkling of something that I've seen for years. So I'm like, oh my gosh, if this is happening, this is gonna be the best day of my entire life. But I will update you if anything happens, because if my period starts, I'm making a cake. I'm honestly very full from all the bread and tons of snacks I ate earlier, but this is what I'm having for dinner. It's tuna with Greek yogurt, avocado, lentils, farro, which is kind of like rice, mushrooms, and Brussels sprouts. So it honestly looks divine and I'm so excited. And I'm gonna eat my dinner as I watch the Big Brother live feeds. If you know, you know, I'm one of the biggest Big Brother fans. I love Big Brother and I promise you I will be on it one day. It is currently 1:30 and I am finally going to bed. I watched a ton of TV, ate lots of desserts, and most of all, I waited to see if my period would start. I'm seeing more spotting and this is truly the best day ever. And I'm having such bad cramps and it hurts so bad. I can barely even stand up, but I'm so happy that I'm having them because I feel like this is a really good sign. So fingers crossed I wake up with looking like there was a shark attack tomorrow. So fingers crossed. I know this video was a little short, but I feel like it was the perfect self-care reset. If you need a little extra motivation for your day, tune into the podcast, Busy Yet Pretty, and we'll talk all about everything over there. I love you guys so much. Give yourself a hug and go have a productive day.